giant food trellis. So the materials we'll need is one big pot, one 4x4 cut at 4 feet. Over here is 5 2x4 cut at 18 inches and 4 2x4 cut at 8 inches. Also, we're going to need 2.5 boxes of screws, and we also need a drill. So we're going to get started. this one is tiny. Now we're gonna put it on top of Cleo. Wow, that looks cool, guys. We're gonna grow dragon fruit inside the pot. See you tomorrow. Today we're gonna be planting a dragon fruit plant in the pot, and the dragon fruit plant is going to climb up the trellis. So this dirt has Perlite, Peat Moss, Compost. So now we're gonna scoop the soil into the pot. Let's do it. Like really close to the trellis. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ow! Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Here. Perfect. And then put one in for, and also put, there are like 4 cuttings for the 4 sides. And stop it. We're gonna find a flat surface, and we're gonna put it in. Stop it. On the side. For the cutting that around goes underground. So this one. And then we put the soil back in. Aiden, you do the next. That was my turn. Right here. Now we go for a lot. Make sure there's like a big gap, Aiden. Now we're going to put it in. Let's see, which is the flattest side. This is the flattest side, and we're going to put the cutting inside. Okay, you do it. And now we put it in. You go do this one. Gonna do it. Ouch, that hurt. Be careful, there's spikes. Remember. So now I'm going to do the next side. And Eden's preparing for his next. Oh. So this one is the flattest point. Done with mine too. Right over here. And then I'm going to fill it in like the first one I did. Yeti, that's my turn. You hurry up. So guys, the last step is to water it. Eden's going to be doing it. Eden, make sure you aim for the dragon fruit and go in circles and circles. If you need help, Eden up here. This is it. This is how you plant dragon fruit plants in a pot. And in about a few weeks, the dragon fruit plants will start attaching to the trellis, and hopefully in 18 months or so, the dragon fruits are gonna have the fruits. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram. Bye! Smoochy, smoochy, smoochy! Don't lose your bye.